Hey, my band people. I wanted to share with you a quick video to help you with notifications so that you more quickly hear from your teachers when they share new posts, assignments, if there's a comment, if they at you at your class. So let's go over that now. The first settings I'm going to show you is the overall main settings. So if I click on my face over here, there's a drop down menu. I'm going to go to settings, notifications. There's a whole lot here. You may not see everything that I see. Some things that I want to draw your attention to: personal notifications, channel mentions, team mentions, chat messages, replies to conversations I replied to, likes and reactions, followed channels. Those are the items that you want to look for, and I would recommend that you turn on. You could also turn on a missed activity email if that's available to you. That will send you an email and let you know what you have missed. On my computer, I can set it for 10 minutes every hour, every 8 hours, daily. I have it set to off because I'm in here a lot, like all day, every day. Not much on the weekends. So the options are, any of these choices here have the same couple options: banner, email, feed. Those are the main three options, or off in some cases. Banner is going to be a little flag that pops up in the corner of your screen. Mine has been in the top corner, but at other times it's been in the bottom corner. That is banner. Email is you get sent an email to your inbox. The feed is what I prefer. That's my notifications list over on the left side. Right here, the activities. So when I click that, it goes there. So there's your three options. Most of mine, I personally have set to only show in feed. I'm not interested in the banner coming up in my face over and over again while I'm trying to type or record these types of videos. So I strongly suggest that you have these set however you want. If you want the banner and email, show and feed, you'll play around and find different settings. I have turned chat off for right now while I record, but normally that's set to banner so that I get those notifications. All right, let's take a look at your individual classes. I'm going to help you turn on the notification settings within each classroom. So here we have the classes of the day. I'm going to go look right here just as an example. So you have general and you have chatterbox. We're going to turn settings on in both of these. And in my other video I'm posting, you can see an explanation of what the difference is between the two. So you can see that other video when it posts. All right, here is the chatterbox channel. We're going to turn the settings on, the notifications on for this channel. So I'm going to come over here. I want yes, banner and feed. Yes, banner and feed, so that that stuff is popping up and talking to me. Now we could put only show and feed. Now I'm going to include all replies. You may want to turn that off as a student. You may not want to see every single reply from every other student, but I'm going to turn that on so I do get notified. Okay, so that's done in your chatterbox section. So now let's come over here to general. You also want to turn this one on. That way, when I post something new, for example, just a general post, you may not get that. But if I at you, if I make an announcement, it will do that. Anyways, we're going to fix the settings in this one as well. So go to channel notifications, and again, I'm going to adjust it just a little bit. I'm going to put it only show and feed. You may want the banner to pop up with the little image down in the corner to notify you, and yes, all replies on. I'm going to save that. If I go back out to Teams, that was first period only. We need to go through on our own time and do second period, third period, fourth period. Turn all your notifications on so that you're getting that from your teachers. I hope that helps you guys. I noticed that we were not getting the thorough amount of notifications and there wasn't a lot of activity. And now that I've learned to tag you guys, it started to pick up. And hopefully this will help you and your parents stay on top of your schoolwork. So I miss you guys so much. I love you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.